guys, today I'm going to be showing you, if I can, there he is, Kitty Blowup, through, and that's as best you can see him. That's our cat Blowup. And we also have one in here, that dog, as you can see, him from here. Okay. Oh, a little closer. And that's head to toes. And that's our cat, Ladybug. Aww. Good.